Hello there. Are you ready? Good. Questions and answers. What's your favourite colour? My favourite colour is blue. Why? Because it's beautiful. What's your favourite food? My favourite food is spaghetti. Why? Because it's delicious. What's your favourite game? My favourite game is football. Why? Because it's fun. This is a question. Where do you live? This is an answer. I live in Coruña. This is a question. How old are you? I'm 7. First the question, then the answer. Okay, that's all for today. See you next week.
What's your favorite food? Haven't you guessed? Pasta's delicious. Spaghetti is the best. Why? What's your favorite color? The answer is blue. Why? Because it's beautiful, and so are you. Baby, 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 because. Baby, 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 because. Baby, 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 because. It's beautiful, and so are you. Why do you like spaghetti? Because. Baby, 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 because. Baby, 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 because. Baby, 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 because. It's delicious and healthy too, because it's good for me, and so are you.